Hey, what's going on, everyone? So Solana to $1,200 in 2025 next year. Why is a real possibility? This is what some analysts are going to explain. This is an article written from AMB Crypto, and one that I really wanted to bring to your attention is not necessarily Ali Martinez, but rather Raoul. He foresaw Solana, get this, reaching up to $1,200 by 2025. Why? Because it's going to be driven by bullish market cycle and increased network activity. So now, if you're a staunch advocate of cryptocurrency in general, if Solana is going to run to $1,200, what do you think Bitcoin is going to be? Like, think about it. Where do you think Ethereum is going to be? Where do you think a lot of these meme coins are going to be in 2025 if Solana is going to run up to $1,200? Because they pretty much all go the same direction when there's a bullish market cycle, meaning all coins go up in price, all coins go up in value. So if Solana goes to $1,200, where do you think the other coins are going to go? Solana shows bullish trends. Okay. Raoul, a figure in the crypto space, has also expressed confidence in Solana's future price trajectory. Paul predicted a substantial price increase in 2025, especially during the anticipated crypto summer. Anticipated. Again, there's no guarantee. He considered a 100% price increase conservative. Yeah, that's like nothing. That's just a blip on the radar. Expecting a typical rise of around 300%, which would set Solana's price at approximately $600 per coin. Paul further speculated that Solana could reach $1,200 during a full market cycle, with the potential to exceed $2,000. So he's, even in this particular prediction, he's being a little conservative, even in that perspective. For a shorter cycle, he predicted a price of around $750. You guys own Solana? Do you expect that the market's going to reach to $1,200, to $2,000, to $750? What do you think? Because he thinks so. Once his article was printed, Solana was traded at $142.69. 2025. Is he saying the first quarter 2025? Is he saying through the fourth quarter 2025, or just during a summer cycle? Look at this. This is where he dropped that price prediction for Solana. He did an interview on Altcoin Daily. How high can Solana go by 2025? Raoul talks about it. Now, will you base your prediction, your investments, off of what one man says? Or will you look at other things to try to determine if what he said is even viable, if it's even predictable, if it's even possible? Because look at some of these comments off this tweet. Raoul has gotten so many things wrong before. I don't know why he just keeps giving out predictions. Raoul, you guys really do live live in 2021 with Cardano, FOREX, and Raoul. I feel sorry for everyone who is getting informed on your channel. Now, this particular tweet is talking about Altcoin Daily. Why are you still interviewing Raoul for? Somebody tweeted out, just moved my sell orders from 1,000 to 2,000. Thanks. We'll see how this tweet plays out in 2025. His thesis seems spot on in my eyes. I'd love to know his price predictions for Ethereum too. Somebody tweeted out, ETH is king. I was a fan of Solana, but this Jets, or I call them the citizens Solana, they piss me off. I'm a proud Ethereum citizen. It might fly this year. Somebody think that it's going to happen this year and not in 2025 for Solana to run to $2,000, to $1,200. Somebody tweeted out just $8. Look at all of these varying opinions of what people think about Solana. Somebody tweeted out, don't listen to him. He bought the BTC top. Let's see with your eyes. Predictions are only a prediction. Another fortune teller. $2,000 sounds great. Somebody tweeted out the next Luna. Can we just $800 Solana? I have houses and cars. If I heck, if you want to give us $1,200 Solana, let it be. Somebody tweeted out reasonable. Somebody tweeted out, do your own research. He is no guru. So now you can kind of see what the public opinion is about Solana. You got some people on one side saying, yeah, we can see Solana run up. It can happen this year. $2,000, no problem. I got my order in right now to sell it once it hits $2,000. But then you got other people on the other side saying, well, don't listen to Raoul because he done other price predictions to where he got them wrong. Some people are looking for like another Terra Luna type situation to where it's going to crash and go back down to zero. Who do you listen to? Have you seen the price chart for Solana? Because here it is right here. It's trading at $156.50 right now. This man is saying $1,200 by 2025. So let's run this up. Let's see. $1,200. Let's go up to 1,200. That's like 645% run up. Imagine where Bitcoin is going to be if Solana runs to $1,200. Now he's talking about 2,000, which is even asinine as of right now. Somebody tweeted out, can we just get to $700? So let's break this down. Okay, so I'm going to give you all the price predictions to what I suspect the market in Solana is going to do. Now, right now, we're seeing this particular cryptocurrency consolidate, which would be a good thing to see a continuation to move higher in price. Now, I'm not going to tell you to look for price in Solana to run up to $1,200. That's crazy. To $2,000. That's crazy. We have too much ground to cover to even drop that type of price prediction. But I mean, you got some people out here that's long-term holders and they're willing to wait and sit on Solana until it has that ability to even break $1,000. Okay, so what we're going to do here, let's go ahead and cut this out the way. You guys can see that we identified this trend on our last particular video in Solana to where the market was trending higher. It was in a bullish cycle, but now we are no longer trending bullish. We are trending bearish. Okay, real simple. We are now trending bearish into the market in Solana. So rather what Raoul says or anybody else, we can see what the market is also telling us. We are trending bearish right now. Now, a good thing though is we can see that the market buyers are coming in right here. Okay, so that is good. We need to see these buyers hold this level, because as long as that happens, then we maintain that consolidation of trader range with the ability to see Solana try to break this $250 price high off of this exchange. It has to hold this buy zone. Okay, now let's look at this on the 5-day chart real quick in Solana. I'm not drastically bullish and I'm not drastically bearish. In fact, I will be more bullish than bearish because of these price bars here that we have identified that buyers are hitting the market. So they're more determined to at least allow this market to go up. Okay, Solana on the 3-day chart, 12 hours and 59 minutes. You guys can see that we're getting this indication of strength right there, which is great. We want to see that continuation happen. Here it is on a 7-hour chart. Okay, so this market does want to go up. It does. But given what we have here on the left side of this chart, we got to consider some areas of resistance. Yes, we do. We got to consider that Solana may get impacted by these people who wants to sell Solana right around this range. Okay, because they already came there. Price already came here. You guys can see the type of reaction it got. It got hit with selling right here. Okay, we came up to around $160 in Solana. These sellers who initially pushed down price back on June the 12th, they were still there. That's why the market came back down. So that's one area that the buyers into the market in Solana have to contend with. And here's the other one. Okay, so now I am going to suspect that market in Solana wants to go up in price. So we're going to draw this price prediction real quick. And first target is going to be this first sell zone. I'm not going to be crazy. I really want to see these buyers take out this first sell zone. If that occurs, then my second target is going to be up here around $170. And then my third target will be right around here. Okay. So we got these three targets, these three sell zones that we want to see the market in Solana hit. First one is pretty much knocking on the door right now. We want to see that get taken out. If that occurs, second target is going to be around 170. Then third is going to be around 186. Okay, so that's it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.